Kichen, a sleepy, almost forgotten little village in northwest India. These buildings, called Haveli, are hundreds of years old. Once mansions of the wealthy, they are now abandoned and only a few families remain. Kichen is in the middle of the Thar Desert on the Pakistani border. Once an important stop on the trade route, many were lured away by the promise of better things in nearby Delhi. Not a lot happens here now. But every August, Kichen is transformed thanks to the arrival of some unique visitors, demoiselle cranes. These beautiful birds have flown thousands of miles from Mongolia and Eurasia to spend winter here, and the Kichen community has become their guardians. A few years ago, only about 150 birds a year would visit, but a conservation program has helped their numbers to soar to over 20,000. Every day at sunrise, the village echoes with the sound of feeding cranes arriving at the Chuggaghar, or feeding home that's been created for them. Local and passing grain traders donate the grain. This ensures the birds don't ravage the nearby farmlands, helping human-bird relations tremendously. The morning feedings are a bustling affair, yet every bird gets a chance to eat their free meal. The sight of thousands upon thousands of cranes all feeding at the same time is like a mesmerizing ballet. It's an extraordinary sight to see and hear. And when they've had their fill, they spend the rest of the day on nadis or ponds, where they can drink and eat pebbles, which they do to digest their grains. The cranes are quite comfortable with the humans going about their daily business so close to them. The presence of the cranes means they are entwined in the history and culture of the area. A popular folk song tells the story of a newly married woman whose husband has had to leave the village to seek work. But beyond the beautiful legends, the cranes face very real threats. Feral dogs will attack them, and there are high power lines that surround the village. This unfortunate bird is receiving emergency care after being electrocuted. And that's not even considering the migration the demoiselle cranes undertake every year, one of the toughest in the world. This crane is tagged, so researchers can tell it's traveled almost 4,000 kilometers to get here from its breeding grounds in Mongolia. The trip from Mongolia and Eurasia is perilous. Their route crosses the mighty Himalayan mountains. Many die from fatigue and hunger. And there are golden eagles who specialize in preying on cranes. That the birds make it to Kichen at all is remarkable. But they do, returning time and time again, filling this little desert village with life.